Hello, my name is Carrie Pope, and this is a super short video all about Young Living essential oils. Because you're super busy, maybe you've tried to make it to a class and haven't been able to get there yet, but you're interested and want to know a little bit more, but you just don't have the time. So I'm going to share some information on Young Living Essential Oils Premium Starter Kit and a little about the company. And I'm going to read from my script so I don't get sidetracked. Young Living has been around for over 25 years. They own their own farms all over the world. Our seed to sale guarantee lets you know that everything in those little bottles are pure essential oils. So the seeds they pick and plant, the soil, how they're planted in the ground, harvesting, distillation, testing is nothing but pure essential oils. I want to also inform you about the oils sold on Amazon and eBay. Because the lids can easily be removed, oils replaced with something other than pure oil from Young Living, and the lid looks like it's been brand new when they put a new one on. There are 3 ways to use Young Living essential oils: aromatically, topically, and internally. Young Living came out with a premium starter kit, which is how everyone gets started when they begin their Young Living journey. It gives you all the essential oils you'll need to jump right in without getting overwhelmed. And as a bonus, it comes with a diffuser. So let's quickly unbox the kit and I'll show you a little bit about what's inside. So this is a stand, and the oils on the top that are white are vitality oils, which are safe for internal use by the FDA. These are the same essential oils Young Living has been selling, and the only thing setting them apart is that the other oils are labeled for aromatic and topical use, such as these. Peppermint is all things digestion. You could put a few drops in your drink. It supports respiratory health, cools the body down, and soothes the muscles, and much more. Lemon supports a healthy immune system, promotes clarity, supports the nervous system and overall wellness. The solid yellow label ones also help with degreaser and sticky gunk remover, and it smells amazing. Copaiba promotes wellness and supports the body's natural response to injury or irritation. It supports your immune system and is great to use after a workout. Thieves supports the immune system and respiratory system. It's ideal to use during the winter months. It's great for digestive health and cleanses. You can put 2 drops in a few ounces of honey when you feel like you need it. Digest is all things tummy oil. It supports the digestive system just like it sounds, and it's great for overall wellness and normal detoxification. It helps with conditions also related to motion and travel. Lavender relaxes and calms. It's great for sleep. It also is great for skin, and it's the Swiss Army knife of oils, and it's amazing. Frankincense is the oldest essential oil, well known during the time of Christ. It's great for calming and very relaxing. It's the #1 essential oil for your skin. And I always like to say, when you're in doubt, use Frank. RC supports healthy lungs and respiratory system. You can make a chest rub by putting a few drops in coconut oil and mix it up and rub it wherever you need it on your skin. You can also diffuse it, and you can, let's see, it's pretty awesome. Purification is my all things stinky oil. So you got stinky kids, stinky rooms, smelly shoes, maybe burn dinner like I do a couple times. Put a few drops in your diffuser. You could put some in a cotton ball, stick it in your shoes. You can also put 2 to 3 drops in baking soda for a carpet freshener so you don't have any more embarrassing smells. Panaway supports your muscles and joints, or in other words, it's the muscle and skeletal system support oil. It's great. You can put 4 drops and some unscented Epsom salt in your bath. It's kind of like taking a eraser all over your body and starting all over again. It's absolutely relaxing. And then we have our bonus oil, which is Stress Away. Um, and it's just what you need when you're going to the grocery store, um, or work, or when you need a break from life. Grab stress away. It also helps with sleep and healthy emotions. So this kit has all you need. It also has some 2 Ningxia Red packets, which are full of antioxidants and help support every body system, including eye health, hair health, healthy energy levels, and the list goes on and on. The kit also has sample bottles you can carry in your purse to easily share with someone, sample sachets, I probably didn't say that right, and also some cards that tell a little bit about the oils. And you also get a roller filament, which you can put on any Young Living bottle and rub it on your skin wherever you need it. And it also comes with a cheat sheet and brochure and tells the different ways you can use the oils in your kit, so you're not on your own. We provide online training, one-on-one coaching, Facebook support groups, so there's something to suit you. Now you're going to get everything I talked about, plus an essential oil diffuser of your choice. The diffuser I would like to show you is the Dewdrop diffuser, and the light turns on so you can have it as a night light. Probably can't see that light very well for your kids, or you can turn it off if you don't want the light in your face at night. It runs continuously for 4 hours and automatically shuts off when the water gets low. This is $160 with all the oils and everything that I showed you in the kit, and it's the only thing on Young Living's website that is half off. So if you're a frugal mom like me, it's the best bang for your buck. The great thing about membership is that you get 24% off anything you want to purchase from Young Living at any time, and it gets shipped right to your door, and so you never have to worry about monthly minimums. Now, maybe you may accidentally share how much you love the oils and earn a paycheck just by giving someone your member number and allowing them to join and get their own kit. There's also a great optional auto ship program, which is absolutely free, where you can get earn 10, 20, and up to 25% back in free Young Living products. You get reduced shipping and all kinds of fun promos that come with the Essential Oil Rewards program. So I can share a little bit about that with you later. It's just like Christmas each and every month. Now, as I wrap up, the reason you are watching this video is because we care for you and your family. Whoever shared this with you today, whether that be me or someone else, know you are loved. You wouldn't be watching if you weren't. I want to help you realize what is allowed in the products that are sold to us every day. The number 2 cause of death in the United States is cancer. 1,620 people a day die of cancer. 1 in 3 cases in the United States is directly linked to poor diet, physical inactivity, or chemical exposure. The American Cancer Society says that only 5 to 10% of all cancer cases are from gene defects. 5 to 10%. That means 90 to 95% of cancer cases are under our control. It's what we allow in our homes. I know those are intense facts to swallow, but knowledge is power, and we need to change that outcome. Wouldn't you agree? It's time to kick those chemicals out and start living, creating a better future for our families. You can control what you allow within the walls of your home, and it's not hard. You are the gatekeeper of your home. You have the choice to make your health and the health of your family a valued priority. You know, we pay $190 a month on phone bill and don't blink an eye. We pay over $100 for cable and think nothing of it. But where is our health and the health of our children in your monthly budget? Show me where you put your finances, and I'll show you where your priorities are. You know, after I heard this information, it was a hard pill to swallow, but I swallowed it. I expressed to you how life-changing it has been since we started our Young Living journey. It's about taking small steps and using what you know and doing something about it. getting your kit, joining Essential Rewards, using your oils, and drinking Ningxia Red daily. And then month by month, removing and replacing other toxins in your home. Making your health and your family's health a priority is worth it because nothing else in life matters if we don't have our health. You see, organs don't fail overnight. They fail after years and years of abuse and damage. We must support our bodies every single day. I want to live a life full of health, purpose, and abundance, and to do that, it must become a priority. Do you value your life and your health? What about your families? I know you do. You wouldn't be here today if you didn't. You are here for a reason. Believe that. I'm so excited for each of you to share on this journey and change your lives. Get ready because it's going to be an amazing ride, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Just click on the link below or above, and if you have any questions, feel free to message me as well. I look forward to visiting with you. Have a blessed day.